Hi guys, so for today's recipe, we're just gonna start off by cutting the tofu in squares. Next is we're gonna make the mixture by adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and another 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then we're gonna add the chopped garlic and we're gonna mix with 3 tablespoons of honey, add some sesame seeds and a tablespoon of chili flakes. Mix them all together. Next is we're gonna fry the tofu until it is brown and tender. You can now add the soy sauce mixture. Just make sure it's evenly coated. Cook until tender. And we're ready to serve. You can top it with sesame seed and spring onions. Let's eat! Hi guys! For our second dish, we will be making beef stew. Here are the ingredients. First is we're gonna soak in water the glass noodles for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna put 2 to 3 cups of water and boil the kelp. We're gonna use that water later. And then add in sesame oil, spring onions, and garlic together with the beef and cook until tender. Sauté them. We're now gonna add the water that was made from the kelp. This will give the dish the umami taste. No need to put salt. Bring to boil. You can now add the glass noodles along with pepper. And voila, your dish is done. Enjoy!